This is the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Hi guys, my name is Henwin, and maybe I should drop the mask. Sorry for not posting in a while, but I will try to post more often. I will also try to be more active on Instagram, so if you want, you can follow me. Today, we are going to unbox the 2020 MacBook Pro 16-inch. I bought this PC mostly for school use, but I also wanted a Mac with power so I can edit my videos. I bought the one with i7 and not i9, mostly because of the price, but also the difference between them isn't that big. I've used this Mac for 2 weeks now and I'm actually really happy with the Mac so far. It is really big, so it's hard to find a backpack that actually fits the PC, but after some research I found a backpack that fits my MacBook and all of my school books. The size of the Mac is really nice when you are editing movies or working with school. Your screen is big, so that means you have a lot of space to work on, and especially for editing it's nice to have a big screen so you can see your timeline. The speakers on the Mac is also really great, but I mostly use my AirPods when I'm not at home. I also think their keyboard is nice to type on. So far I will recommend this Mac for the people that have the money, because I feel like you get a lot for your money compared to the other Macs, but Apple are not very low on price. This is it for this video. If you want to see more from me in the future, please press the like button and subscribe, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Adios.